Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a complete guide to create a beautiful Sleeping Beauty Aurora look from the 1959 film. So I'm going to use this classic look of Aurora, and let me show you how you can make this look. So first, for the hair, I'm using these three hair in here. You can find this one on the curly hair and here from the wavy hair for these two. Now I'm going to just go put on the accessory first. I'm going to put on this headband to go it into type 2 and just use black for the color. And let me put on this bracelet. Now I'm going to put on the shoe. I'm going to wear this one in black color. Now you can go to the dressing room and put on this top from the currency item, this one. So to go it's into number 3, change the color, number 2 to black and combine with blue color like this. Use this sleeve from the witch set, and I'm going to use these colors right here. And also use the skirt from the witch set, use the same color like the sleeves, like this. And that's it. Now you can just put on this necklace and your Aurora look is done. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.